Let's learn Sawdust Floor. It's choreographed by Michele Burton. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and write down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Sawdust Floor. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a rock return. So we're going to rock back with our right foot, return your weight onto your left. We're now going to cha-cha forward with our right, stepping right, forward, left together, right, forward. You're going to point your left toe forward. We're now going to point our left toe back, and as we do that, we're going to open our hips to the left towards the 10:30 diagonal, but 12 o'clock is still our wall. From here, we're going to do a quarter crossing shuffle. So you'll make a quarter turn over your left shoulder as you cross your left over your right. Step your right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right, and you'll end facing 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your rock back return. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to rock our right foot to the right side. Return your weight onto your left. We're now going to do a crossing shuffle, right over left, cross right over left, left side, right over left. We're going to step our left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left. As you step your left foot to the left side, you're going to bring your left hand across your body, and then we're going to rotate it up and around to the left. And as you do that, you're going to bend your left knee, and you're going to point your right toe to the right side, look over your left shoulder, and snap your fingers at about hip height. And you want this to be a smooth motion, so as you step, it's going to come down as you point with a nice bent elbow. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our crossing shuffle, so you're going to do your rock return. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. Make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 3 o'clock. And then we're going to weave, cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side, cross your right over your left. We're now going to sway our hips. So you're going to step to the left, sway your hips, left, right, left. And then we're going to do a hip. So you're going to push off your right foot, pushing your right hip up, and then dropping your right hip, but keeping your weight on your left. You want to feel like that is kind of a bachata hip. So it's coming up, down. You're just pushing this right hip up, down. You're going to do it one time. So you'll sway left, right, left, up, down, keeping your weight on your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our point. You're going to do your quarter. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to step our right foot to the right side, step together with your left, taking weight onto your left foot, and then we're going to cha-cha forward with our right, stepping right, forward, left together, right, forward. You're going to rock forward with your left foot, return your weight onto your right, and then we're going to cha-cha back, stepping left, back, right together, left, back. And that is the whole dance. You'll start over with your rock return. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our hip. You're going to do your side together, cha-cha forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your rock return. So it's rock back, return, cha-cha forward, point forward, back with the open hip, quarter, crossing shuffle, side rock, return, crossing shuffle, side behind, step side with your snap, look and point, quarter, behind, side, cross, sway, left, right, left, hip, up, down, side, together, cha-cha forward, rock, recover, cha-cha back. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, rocking back. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the ending. Your final wall will be a 9 o'clock facing wall. You're going to hear it coming because the music is going to start like fading out, and it's going to start sooner than you think, and it will kind of give you a little bit of a notice that that last wall is happening. So what we're going to do is you'll dance the first 8 counts of the dance. So you're going to do your rock, back, return. So you'll rock, back, return, cha-cha forward, point back with your open hip, and then do your quarter crossing shuffle. Right now you're at 6 o'clock. There are 4 counts before the music completely ends. What we're going to do is rock your right foot to the right side. You're going to turn a quarter over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. Step forward with your right, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 12 o'clock. And that is where the song will end, and you will end the dance facing 12 o'clock. So let's just try that part with some counts so that you know kind of the rhythm of it. You did your crossing shuffle, you're going to do your rock. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is where you will end the dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your rock, back, return. So it's rock, back, return. Cha-cha forward, point forward, back with your open hip, quarter crossing shuffle, side rock, return, crossing shuffle, side behind, step side with your snap, with your knee bent and your point, quarter, behind side cross, sway left, right, left hip up, down, side together, cha-cha forward, rock, return, cha-cha back, rock back, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Rock back, return, cha-cha forward, point forward, back, open hip, quarter crossing shuffle, rock, return, crossing shuffle, side behind, side snap with your look and lunge, quarter, behind side cross, sway left, right, left hip up, down, side together, cha-cha forward, rock, return, cha-cha back, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. You won't have to worry about anything until the very last wall where you'll add on your ending. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Sawdust Floor. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.